so I avoided cats, and anytime I went to someone's house, I would take antibiotics. And he comes on our doorstep, and I avoid
This guy has funky fur.
Yeah, she's 19 actually.
Oh my gosh, hi.
She's so sweet.
Oh, she's lovely. Oh, this guy's coming up behind. Cat heaven.
Used to it. Used to it. He flexed his belly until it's
Hi there.
raw.
I didn't even know cats had that problem.
Eat tonight or especially tomorrow morning, you have to bring him back. Watch him for drinking. Does he drinks water? I can give you as well. Does he like canned food or is not?
Yeah, he loves canned food.
Probably would be better to.
Don't leave it there, it'll get knocked out.
I'll hold it.
You're gonna hold him.
I'm holding him?
Yeah, yeah.
We're gonna to take him. No, actually, this way.
That way?
Yeah. Back. And I'm gonna to hold him like this.
Okay.
We're gonna to lift his tail up.
Okay. Elmo. You don't like that.
Yeah, you can give me the tail. I know. Take his.
Should I take his tail?
Yeah, we survived.
Elmo. Good boy. You screaming bloody murder.
Yeah, last time it was... Okay, he's...
But then Timber was walking around and he didn't like Timber and he didn't like the orange cat.
Okay. If he's congested, the same like we are.
Yeah.
The same
Right.
situation. You can take him, for example, like a steam very well
Yeah.
a bathroom,
Yeah.
and you can put
Yeah.
inside for 10-15 minutes. Don't let him to get wet.
Yeah, I was thinking like when we
And-
take showers to leave him in the room.
And he can. This can help
Yeah,
to.
So do you want to take him on the car?
Yeah.
Come on, babe.
Oh, you need the key though. I'll unlock it from in here.
Sorry, baby. Construction. I think you might have to get a little bit more. You got a lot on his.
उसकी फूड में नहीं डालना
Oh,
Just let him
okay.
relax for a minute.
Okay. Okay.
How many times you
Hang
have
on.
to
Hang on. Okay.
Is someone putting the stove off or something?
Yeah, I was making my thing and then told me to
नीचे सुलाती है खरीद के कभी स्टोव
There he goes. He's hiding. Aw.
Is he sneezing?
Yeah, he's. I don't know what he's doing. He's making a weird noise.
Fuck, what did I do? What is he doing?
I don't know. He's.
Mom, what is he doing?
No, he's okay. He's okay. He just. I don't know, Faiza. I'm out now. What do we do?
he will be fine उसके कहीं
Is he allergic to it? What's he doing?
वो मेरे ख्याल स्पिट करेगा he's fine now he's okay बस ठीक
Maybe he just went down the wrong hole.
yeah अब now he's fine
He's okay.
yeah he's fine